Welcome back, Dr. Mercado here again. Today we're having the follow-up on the DOT on Jackie. This is day number 7. So Jackie's here, and I wanted to ask her some questions. What happened to her day number 1, number 2, number 3, so you can see. So Jackie, tell us please what happened to you after the DOT.
Well, on the first day after I left here, it was quite warm, but I had already scheduled my day so I could go home, put compresses on it, and that's what I did until about 3 o'clock. We had the procedure at 10. Till about 3, it was a little uncomfortable, but after that, just taking ibuprofen and putting ice on it, it wasn't bad at all for the first day. It did get a little red, a little inflamed, but that was, something that I was already expecting. Okay. So that was on the first day.
What happened next? Day 2, 3, 4?
Day 2, it did get a little bit worse as far as the swelling was, and then I did get a little bit pinpoint bleeding on day 3. But by day 4, everything started to calm down quite a bit. And then day 5 and 6 and 7, it just progressively, the redness started going away. Right now I'm still peeling a little bit on my chin. But obviously easily covered by makeup, as you can tell, and there's still pinkness to the skin, but again, you can see that it's easily covered by makeup.
So you told me also that the skin looks refreshed, it looks tight. You notice tightness also?
Yes, even as bad as it looked as far as the swelling went and the redness and everything, I could tell my jawline instantly was tighter, my cheeks were tighter. Things like that, were instantly noticeable, even though the face was really red and swollen. So that, made me feel happy that, it was worth it, even though I was going through what I was going through. So, yes.
So I heard also that some of your friends noticed a difference, probably like at day number 5, 6.
Yeah, actually it was on day number 6 that I had people commenting already, how wonderful it looked. And I have a few friends that, do have some skin problems, and they're already, ready to come and have a consultation.
Well, good then. Okay, so for all of you that wanted to know more about the DOT laser, I'm going to be making another video talking to you specifically how the DOT works. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.